Hi guys, welcome to a brand new tutorial. This is for my friend, but this is for anybody else who is confused on how to do it. We're learning how to add resource packs on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which is Windows 10 edition. As you can see, I don't have it active because I haven't activated it. So now, after it's the one I'm installing, it's gonna be called Faithful. I'll teach you how to get more, but I'll give you guys a quick look on what Faithful looks like. Let's do pre-look because I didn't make pre-look a word. I just wanted stuff to look cool, so it's just a test of something. So, and right now I think I have 1.15. It doesn't change the Steve heads, but it changes the skull sounds, changes. Okay, I'm recording. Sorry. And the wither skulls. The ladders obviously changed. These trapdoors are pretty nice. The armor, I'm not gonna lie, looks nice. The armor stands themselves, they actually probably have a better texture. As the resource pack says, it's 32-bit, so it's it's a bit of a chunky file, but it's only how much KB? Something KB. I'll provide the link for the thing in the description, but I'll teach you how to install more in a second. Sorry, I have a shortcut because I'm confused. So how to find the folder is okay. I have two folders open. I'm done with this. I'm done. Yes, sir. So you're supposed to go to. Wait a minute. I'm confused. Why is it doing that? Okay, so you're gonna go to packages. I'm not sure where I have that on my computer, but if I go open more time, local. So I'm gonna go to app data. Data. Okay. How about just percent app data? So you're gonna do shift 5, which is percent app data. This is for Windows, by the way. So you have your app data folder, right? So you would like this. You wanna go back to app data. Then you're gonna go to local. I feel like it should be saved in your games, but it's somewhere here, right? So you have to start scrolling. Local packages. Okay, so you need packages. Oh, what? Go back.
Huh?
Okay.
Up, Ethan! Aubrey!
Packages.
Aubrey! Come here! Why? There's not.
Microsoft Minecraft.udp. Gotta find that file. You gotta click on it.
Come here, Aubrey, please.
This is where you find this. Now, in local state, I believe.
I don't want to yet.
Not local state. Local cache. Roaming state. It has to be. Sorry. Roaming log, system app data, account state. I forgot already. Oh. I'm not sure if this is where you put it, but once you open Minecraft.udp, I'm gonna reopen the shortcut because I'm super confused. So this is the one you're supposed to be following, by the way. You could always rewind the video, you know. So, let's take games, combat motion. Oh wait, no, go forward. Okay, so it is in local state. Then you're supposed to go to combat mojang. If that even exists anymore. That's odd.
I'm not here playing today? Yes, but tonight.
Com.mojang. So we don't actually have combat mojang.
Yeah, we're beating Seattle this year. They got an offense, but their defense is suspect. They've been giving up a lot of points lately.
App data. Local. Okay. I'm not sure if there's even technical packages on this thing. Sorry. Where's... Oh, it's missing, sorry. Oh wait, never mind it. Okay, so you click package. Oh my god. Okay, you're gonna have all these Microsofts. But if you want to make it faster, you could use this, but Microsoft.Minecraft UDP. This is the one you need. The code at the end, I'm not sure what that means. Right? Local state. Local culture. App data.
I'm gonna get my
AC.
phone again. Well, I don't want her. You haven't even tried it yet. It's a different one. Come here.
You should try installing the resource pack. Minecraft UDP. Now we go to local state. And actually, it's games. I'm so sorry. Combat mojang. This is everything. You even have your behavior packs. You have your Minecraft worlds. Obviously, I have some here. I have a bunch. I'll show you them. I'm not sure what happened to Bedrock, but it got renamed, so. But you're supposed to go to resource_packs. Once you've downloaded it, it should be in your downloads folder. But if you don't have that folder, oh well. You drag it from here to here, and it's at .mc pack. But if you have a .zip file, you have to right click. Okay, okay. Go. You could extract. You have to extract here, but I have WinZip and WinRAR, so I have a hard time unzipping. So, and once you've done that, you click on the. Oh my god. Okay, let's just say once you've done all that, you double click the MC pack file. It leads you to Minecraft. Obviously Bedrock. It's opening, so give it a second, please. Oh well. So, and by the way, this is possible for a lot of resource packs, as long as they promise not their Bedrock. So now you don't have to pay money. Sorry, this tutorial is 9 minutes. So you go to global resources, and it should lead to it after it imports. But once it says download complete, it should be right here. So you press X, settings, global resources, my packs, or it's already active. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Sorry about my confusion. So confused. Anyway, that's it. Bye.